Hi y'all, it's Mimsy here. I'm going to show you real quick how I made a private little bathroom for our little Tina that we got during quarantine. So here we go. So since getting her, we've tried putting her litter box all over the house, in the bathrooms. We even had it in the kitchen for a while, but no place worked for me. I just don't like looking at the litter box. I want it to be hidden. I want the mess and the stink to be hidden away. So we decided to put the litter box in the bottom of this linen closet, which is back in the back hallway by our bedrooms. So it's hidden away. The litter doesn't get all over. It's pretty contained in the closet, and the stink is pretty contained as well. I took my door off the hinges because I just thought it was easier to cut it flat, and it's simple to take it out. But the instructions do have you cutting it out as the door is hanging. She's already checking out her space. I think she knows. So this will be the space. So this is my messy linen closet. And that's the motion sensor light that I bought from Walmart. It's $12. I think $12. And you can tilt it down or whatever, but this is the door, the closet door, and it's louvered, and I hate louvered doors, so I at some point just took real thin underlayment and put underlayment in this panel here. Maybe I nailed it or glued it, I don't know, and then painted it, but I didn't even take the door down to do that, so the paint job's really lousy. Pop. So I'm going to put the cat door on this side, and I want to put it up high enough so she can go through the door and right into the litter box. So this is the cat door that I bought. I got it at Home Depot. It was $13 and change. Okay, I got to measure her.
For what?
The cat door, 12. Probably
That's very considerate.
12 inches. 12 inches, Tina?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think 12.
Okay, thank you. Calls for the template to be, or the door to be 2 inches taller than the measurement of your pet from their foot or from the ground to their shoulder. So I measured the cat at 12 inches and I put this at 14 inches. And the instructions show you how to do it with your door still installed. So I just made sure that the bottom was the same so that I make sure that it's level. And it is. So the next thing that you do is set your template and trace the template. Just so happens that the edges of my template are right in the crack there. Okay, and then you drill through these holes. So I've got a spade bit here, and it calls for 3/16, I think, 3/8. Okay, so I'm putting in a 5/16 spade bit to make my pilot holes. Okay, you just drill through those. Mine's super easy because these are just louvers behind that. And then the instructions say to cut just on the inside of the line that you drew. So one little tiny piece of a louver here. Okay. And then the door comes packed together like this, but it has two sides with the screws attached, and it is marked inside frame and outside frame. They put it there for you. So I'm gonna have to flip this over in order to put the screws in, and I'll go ahead and lock this so it's not swinging around on me. But let me just dry fit it. Yep, it's a perfect fit. Now I'll flip the door over and screw this together. Somehow I failed to record actually screwing the door in. There's the cat door. And I've been leaving it cracked open because I want to make sure she knows it's in there until she learns how to actually use the swinging door. And then I have the motion sensor light in there, which usually when you walk by, yeah, see, when you walk by, it senses the movement and turns on. So there's her own little poop closet, her own little bathroom.